Hi guys and welcome back. In this video we're going to learn about Booleans. In Python we've got true and false values and they are used to make decisions. For example, is the user's age over 35? That could be a comparison that we evaluate to true or false. In Python the keywords are true with a capital T and false with a capital F. Here I've created two variables, one of them called truthy, and that has a true value, and one called falsy, and that has a false value. But on their own, this is kind of pointless, because what can you use true for? There's not much use for just something true. But when you've got a number, you can then say whether is over age, and type age greater than or equal to 18. So here we've got our first Boolean comparison. We've got the variable, then we've got an equal sign, which means that this variable is going to be a name for this value here. And the value is age greater than or equal to 18. This here is a Boolean comparison, and it evaluates to true, because 20 is greater than or equal to 18. So doing this here is exactly the same as doing true. We can have is under age, which means age is less than 18. And here this would be false, because age is 20, so 20 is not less than 18. This would be false. Do note that I'm not doing age less than or equal to 18, as when you are 18, you are allegedly overage in most countries, so this one has to be less than only. Finally, you can also check whether is 20, for example, and type age equal 20. Now, this can get a bit confusing because you now have three equal signs in one line. When you have a single equal sign, that is used for assignment. What it says is, this value here, we're going to give it this name. So, we will calculate the value first, and then put the name and give it to it. Two equal signs is not used for assignment, it is used for comparison. And what it means is exactly equal to. So what it's saying is the age variable exactly equal to 20? And the answer is yes, so this whole thing here actually evaluates to true. Other symbols that you can use are, of course, greater than on its own, and less than or equal to, like that. Let's create a simple program that will ask the user for a number, and then we will tell them whether it matches our magic number. So we will have our number, which is 5, and then we will ask the user for a number, like that. And then we will say my number equal to user number. So as long as they enter 5, this will be true, and if they enter anything else, then it is false. To make this a little bit better, you can create a new variable which has the value of whether it matches or not. And then you can use an F string to say you got it right, matches. And then if we run this and we type 5, you say you got it right, true. Later on in the course, we're going to learn how to say you got it right or you got it wrong. But at the moment, we really can't do that. We need something called an if statement in order to be able to do that, and we're going to learn about that in the next section. But for now, you have the ability to get information from the user and compare it to something that you already have, and then determine one thing or another, whether something is true or false. In the next video, we will learn more about working with Booleans and making our programs much more flexible. I'll see you there.